Okay, what we're looking at here is showing intervals on number lines. So that's what we're going to be doing here. So first we're going to look at is this idea of exclusion. So you'll be given a set of numbers that excludes something, excludes another set of numbers. And this comes from question 13 from exercise 2.5. So for something like, so we'll also be looking at unions, intersections, and what happens when you have something that looks like this. So for this one, we're saying this is all real numbers apart from A and B. So my advice, if you have something like this, is you've got A and B, so you draw a number line, so you show this on a number line. So we'll have A, so we're showing this on a number line. So that's A and that's B. Now what we're doing is we're talking about all the numbers, every single other number in the universe, apart from those two. So that means that we are going to draw arrows that go on for infinity away from that. Now, because we're talking about these two numbers, we're saying nothing, but we're not actually including them. We have to show that with an open circle for both of those. So we're not talking about A, but we're talking about all the numbers less than A. We're not talking about B, but all the numbers above B. Okay, if you've got a union, what we do, once again, we set that up the same way. So we draw our line. So we're talking at A to B and then union B to C. Now, none of these are included. So we can draw, we've got A, and we've got B, and we've got C. So A to B looks like this. And B to C looks like this. So if we're going to draw a union, we're going to show it all together. We draw the whole thing. So we're starting at A, we go to B, and then we go to C. Now, we do that, we have this in the middle because it doesn't include B. It's all the numbers between A, B, and then B to C except B. So that's why we could do that. If this was inclusive, well then we'd just go A all the way up to C because we know B is part of it. Okay, if we've got an intersection, my advice to you people is to draw them both. So 0 to 4, that's what we're going to draw first. So we're going to say we've got 0 and we've got 4. So we're drawing that. It's inclusive. So closed circles. And then we've also got 3 to 7. So we're here at 3. We're going to go to 7. And it's going to go from here out to there. So now because that, we're looking for the overlap. We're looking for the intersection. And that is this here, between that and that, which goes from 3 to 4. Sometimes you may be asked to write them, sometimes you may not be. Okay, if it looks like you've got curly brackets like that, then it's a little bit different. We're not looking at inclusions. What we're doing is we're just looking at that is A and B, and that's all we're showing. So it includes A, it includes B, but that's it. No other numbers here. That's because of these brackets. So that's the way we go about drawing these things on our number lines.